Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Abdullah Najimi, and today our topic is the second part of Asma. So before coming to the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please click on the bell button in order to receive the lectures on time. So today we are going to study some Asma or some nouns which they are related to human beings. For example, honest. Honest is an adjective. For example, Zaid is honest. So, but this honesty, it's related to a human being. And the second example, if you see, Zaid is teacher. Teacher is noun. So, but this teacher related to Zaid. So that's why all these asma, generally we can say they are related to human beings. There are some adjectives and there are some nouns. So, but I really don't recommend this to the learners. So please don't care what noun is sifa and what noun is ism, because it's gonna put you in some doubt. So I really don't recommend this to the learners. So that's why I will hide this column. We will come simple to our asma. And we have studied that adjectives are also part of asma. They are considered as a asma in Arabic language. So let me come to the first ism. So ba'id, distant. Ta'ib, repentant. Jalis, sit. Jamil, beautiful. Jayyid, good. Hadir, present. Hakim, ruler. Khashi', humble. Khabith, slay. Dhahib, going. So Raki', kneeling. Sajid, prostrate. Sariq, thief. Sabir, patient. Sadiq, honest. Salih, righteous. Sa'im, fast taker. Da'if, weak. Tawil, long. Zalim, oppressor. Abid, worshipper. Adil, just. Ghaib, absent. Fajir, sinner. Fasiq, lubricious. Fashil, unsuccessful. Faiz, successful. Qatil, killer. Qadim, comings. Qaim, stand. Kadhib, liar. Kafir, disbeliever. Mutakallim, speaker. Mujtahid, hard worker. Muhasib, accountant. Mukhatib, addressee. Mudarris, teacher. Mudir, chairman. Muslim, Muslim. Mushrik, polytheist. Muslih, reformer. Muallim, teacher. Mughlaq, locked or closed. Mufsid, spoiled. Munafiq, hypocrite. Mu'min, believer. Najih, successful. Naim, asleep. Nahif, thin. Nadif, clean. So let me come to the second part. Again, there are some asma and some are adjectives, and I really don't recommend this to the learners. But these asma are related to human beings. So let me come to the first one. Ibn, son. Ustaz, teacher. Amir, emir or commander. Bakhil, stingy. Tajir, merchant. Tilmiz, student. Jahil, ignorant. Jadid, new. Hafiz, preservative. Hazin, sad. Khadim, servant. Kha'in, traitor. Rahim, merciful. Ra'is, president. Sa'id, happy. Shadid, strong, intense. Sharif, noble, honorable. Shaheed, martyr. Siddiq, friend. Saghir, small. Da'if, weak. Talib, student. Tabib, doctor. Tifl, child. Tawil, long. Dabit, officer. Alim, scholar. Gharib, poor. Ghaliz, rough. Fajr, licentious. Faqir, poor. Qabih, bad. Qadim, old. Qareeb, close relative. Kafir, disbeliever. Kareem, generous. Malak, angel. Wakil, representative. So our vocabulary is completed here. So inshallah our coming lectures will be from the 4 points of ism. So see you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.